Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Hakarap kandai terik weyong ke Mawsynram Assembly Youth Congress kalayo Nongkitkam Thymmai. Hadin bala pendap ye kejingjet Nongkitkam Thymmai lalet Pynskhem ru Nong ilam do Presiden jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress usamna Richard Marang. Kini Nongkitkam Thymmai jong ke Mawsynram Assembly Youth Congress kikentop yo Presiden ubana Nosha Lartang u Vice President u Pensuk Merthong u General Secretary u Lurshai Totet u Assistant General Secretary u Lakista Kharbani bat ki advisor pat kidan laingot bakentop yau hiamdo rapsang Daniel Waklang bat u Johnny Kharbani. Nalor kini la jet do ya bongot ki Vice President ki ban kmi ila ki jong ki area kata ya ka South Semper area dau Lurshai Nongsiet ka Mawsynram area dau Henley Davis Karshandi ya ka Lauba area dau Kiu Shalor Sangpliang ya ka Plang Wan Broy area dau Tingshan Rongsang ya ka Pendan Sosau area dau Ashel Wanyang ya ka Dangar area basang basa ki Khasi on kmi dau Pustarwell Disiar kat ba ka Dangar area ka basang basa ki Garo on Pek dau Vincent T Sangma ka Sona Tola area dau Kiran Barman ka Rengku area basang basa ki Jai Bendreu Garo on kmi dau Langbat di Shira kat ba ya ka Rengku area basang basa ki Khasi on kmi dau Banshan Ningdo nangta ka Dholai area dau William T Sangma ka Senten area dau Rangdajet Disiar bat ka Plang Mau Serpa dau Skam Lingdo.
We can see all over in India what's going on, what Narendra Modi has promised and what he is delivering. We are seeing the hidden agendas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So, as an Indian, as a Meghalayan, we will have to fight against intolerance, against oppression, against discrimination. Didn't Narendra promise actually? Didn't Narendra Modi promise sabke saath, sabke vikas? But what we are getting now? Beef ban, anti-Romeo's card. They even wrote in the manifesto that we are illegal immigrants, if you remember right. Are we? No, we are proud Indians. We are proud Indians. And who is Narendra Modi or BJP to give a certificate? We can see what's going on in India. All around. Intolerance all around. Do you want Meghalaya to be like UP? Where the Chief Minister haircut should be copied in schools? We are a democratic country. And we should remember our leaders who have shaped India into democracy. Everyone who lives in Meghalaya should remember our leaders who have sacrificed for statehood, who have given their valuable time and sweat for this state.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.